And we're back to more Harvest Moon.
Hey, everybody.
After the debacle that was Urban Chaos, I think we should come back to this.
Oh, yeah, that was a crap show. Get off my farm.
Oh, brush the horse is right there.
Let's make sure I have the brush equipped.
There, Russack. Grow up fast.
Hey, walk away from me.
Hey, look, cucumbers the cucumbers
Yeah, money. We're rich.
Actually, how much do we have?
Yeah.
Could be better.
Yeah.
We'll have a lot more after this, but... Did you forget your buttons?
It's been a while.
Has been a while, so I don't blame you. Cody, what do I say about sampling our own product?
Oops. Yeah, let's sell this. Before I do that again.
What was that, $80 down your gullet?
What are you going to do, cut it out of my belly?
Don't tempt me.
So if that was the only screw up where I eat the product. Likely it's not.
Yeah, I am waiting. Horse, don't you eat my wet turnips.
He's probably like, you don't have to worry about me doing it.
Cody, I hear on the other hand, he'll eat anything. Fresh off the vine.
Yeah. Oh, it's delicious. Water. Sure, it's good. Weather.
Yeah, I should probably check the weather. Yeah, so do you forgive us? It has been a while since we played.
Please rain.
Rain. Told you.
Damn it!
Alright, what are we working towards here? I know we have a festival coming up on the 21st.
Which one is it again?
The food festival where we put in turnips for a stew.
Remember
that?
Yes.
Lovely Tabasco with the...
Yes.
Mayor.
The mayor. Thank you.
Yes, I said Tabasco. It's a disastrous fiasco.
See, I didn't hear you, so I wouldn't have known.
Yeah. I'm sure our wise audience has caught on to the slur I just used. I thought I'd set the record straight.
Do we need to teach?
Okay. We're we're past the halfway point on this season.
Yeah.
So, it wouldn't do us well to get more crop. I don't
know. It's like until the 30th, right?
Yeah.
I think the turnips grow in like 4 days. We only have 4 days.
Yes.
So I think we can get one more crop. Oh, maybe not. It depends on when these grow.
Yeah. We have plenty of land, is
Yeah.
the thing. Like, I might suggest getting 4, just because we do have the land
At least.
space.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah.
You don't have to... No, you do have to tell. But... my goal is, the start of next season is we're going to upgrade the water can.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to want money for that, right?
Yeah. Maybe I should go and just grab the stuff in the woods just as a backup stuff. Because there's also this guy's name, the woodcutters. And this guy's house.
Yeah.
You have anything I can sell? Yes, you do.
Yeah, I'm thinking like the last 3 days of the season, we're just going to let the crops go anyway.
Open.
We'll let him in so he can open.
Hi.
Sorry, I don't accept orders during my break. It's just my way. And this is just my way, says Cody. Violent today.
Oh, by the way, you?
Why?
I don't know. Why do I do anything I do?
That'd be an interesting motif for a serial killer. So, Johnson, what happened here? Well, it looks like the serial killer brushed his face, proceeded to pour water on him, and then axed him. That's the 5th one this week.
And don't forget, I owed him too.
Yeah. And then proceeded to bury him on the spot.
Oh, come on! I had more! Jerk.
That doesn't matter. You got a good amount. Like, wait, did you have a cucumber?
Yeah.
Why the hell did you put that in before you went off?
I forgot. At least I didn't eat it.
Fair enough.
You know what? I'm just gonna go around the rest.
Sure. You're not making much off this, by the way.
No.
I think actually you're making like $40.
Like, the one thing I wish is they'd give you a detailed list of what each thing makes.
Yeah. Well, what you can do is just trial and error it.
Oh, yeah.
Like, put one in and it's like, oh, hey, I only made like $5 off that. Don't bother ever getting that again. But I find normally anything that's lying around, not a lot of money.
I mean, it's good for starting out.
Yeah, it's to get you your first crops going. But at this point, you're just kind of wasting time. So maybe we don't have a way to store other things.
Yeah, storage, yeah.
Because I'd like to go get minerals.
Yeah, I don't know if that works.
No, I don't think you can store them. I think they stay in the rest sack and will take up the spot.
No, I'm not, like, the basket you can get?
Yeah.
I don't know if you can take things out of it.
Maybe not. I think it's for collection only.
Yeah. Well,
that might be another thing to work towards, though, is using the basket. Because
yeah, we could get that right after we get the watering can upgrade.
Yeah. The huge thing is getting the watering can upgraded. If we can get that done twice before summer starts. Because it takes 3 days for him to do one.
Yeah. But the other problem is finding the correct minerals, too.
Yeah, that's why we're going to have to spend some time in the mine. Okay. Well, let's harvest this.
Yeah.
I swear to God, if you eat one of these, I am whipping you.
Oh, I wouldn't do something stupid like that twice in a row.
Should I just jump cut now to where you do it?
I'm not gonna do it.
I was gonna say, you should have a ton of backpack space. Also, if we were on the deadline to get this all in by the 21st, we would have had time.
Oh, yeah. Nice. Yeah, the mayor. Give me turnip. Shut up. Fine. 80 a pop. We're not just giving this crap away.
Well, then you can pay the rent on the mortgage on your ranch. $1,000 a month. Did you know we ain't giving that away?
I have a contract that says you're giving it away.
What contract? I'm the mayor. I can remake the contract.
I mean, I can always, put an axe in your back and then chop you up and put you in the woodshed.
Wow, you went a really dark path with that one. Are you just secretly just gonna kill everyone? This is just a front.
You mean in the village?
Yeah. Like, there's gonna be a news report, everyone's gonna be dead in the village, and you're gonna be like, well, I was just a simple farmer. I don't know what happened. I don't know why the killer didn't kill me.
Maybe.
Meanwhile, you're just like, I got away with it.
The cops are like, why is your arm sticking out of your woodshed?
That's where I keep the other labor. It's a big farm. I need more than one people. He's just tired. Alright, let's check our money. 800 for what we got.
Should we, go and get... I think it costs 1,000 for an upgrade.
Yeah. We're gonna get enough here for an upgrade, so I think we should go get the mineral.
Yeah. Shut up, Bill.
Yeah, let's try to find the mineral for it. But we might not do the upgrade right away. I want to see how much money we have after this harvest.
Yeah. No. It's like, oh, you might find what you want, but you might find crap. Yeah. Come on, give me something that's not...
There you go.
Damn it.
You can put it in your rest sack, yeah.
Yeah, I don't think it'll be useful to us for a bit.
Sell it.
Yeah, maybe. Yep, there we go.
Alright, put that in. What's that out?
Woohoo! Ouch. Oh, wait.
Did you need that?
Yeah.
Okay. So, I mean, if you want to restore strength, there's the spring right there.
Oh, what am I thinking? I haven't used any strength. Oh, yeah, I have.
Yeah, you were telling.
I go take a nap. Aren't you sleeping?
Because it's the middle of the... There you go.
There we go. You're like, it's the middle. Oh.
Oh, there you go. Alright, let's get out of here. Yeah, you'll brush the horse and water the garden.
What's left of it?
Yeah. Well, I mean, cucumbers can still come in again.
Oh, yeah. Hey, how convenient. You're right here. Not moving. There you go, Russet.
Well, I can't wait until I can ride you around.
Yeah, it'll be a quick transport.
Yeah.
I wonder if you can ride him outside of the park.
No.
Damn.
Maybe in this game you can, but I know in the 64 one you couldn't.
Okay.
But the whole point of him is that he also has saddlebags.
Oh, so extra storage.
Well, ways to put things in the bin quickly, so he's basically a mobile bin.
Nice.
Which means we can expand our farm further beyond.
But 900 now?
Yeah, we did get some money in the mine.
Well, Zach, come over here and praise me. Opens the bin. What is this crap?
Food?
I wouldn't even wipe my rear with this.
I mean, I guess the cucumber you could show up here. The turnips if you're really venturous. I'll take the product that's in the bin.
Thanks, Zach. Get out of here.
Alright, what did you give us? Yep! That is exactly what I wanted to see.
Yep.
Alright. We didn't check the weather for tomorrow, did we?
No, I didn't. Or did I?
No, I don't think so. You checked it there for today, but...
Yeah!
Okay. This is good. Go check the sign in front of the upgrade, dude. Is he open tomorrow?
Oh, yeah, that's a key thing, too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I watered the cucumber crap.
Purchase. Okay. Tomorrow,
Upgrade.
Upgrade.
Yep.
And then I kind of want to check to see if we can upgrade again. Oh, we have the,
I wanted to make sure we had the correct order.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, we can. But I think the price increases with each.
Yeah, but it might be it'll be 2,000 probably.
Yeah.
But that would give us such a good watering can.
Oh, yeah.
And that's what's been slowing us down quite a bit.
Like if I remember how it works, it starts spreading the water around.
Yes, that's what we want.
Yeah.
I think the first upgrade is he does like a row of 3.
That's nice, actually.
Yeah. And then the second upgrade, I think he does all around him.
Ooh. That's awesome.
We might hold off until the end of the summer.
The second upgrade?
Yeah.
Yeah, that seems reasonable.
Actually, check our calendar real quick.
Oh, yeah. It is
No, tomorrow is the festival.
Ooh, I wonder if that extends the
Shouldn't.
days we have to wait. Okay. Yep, I'm gonna go and not water anything.
Yeah. Tomorrow's the cooking festival. Starts at 10 a.m. in the square.
Cool, Mr. Bear. So did you prepare those turnips I got you?
Yes, they're delicious.
Oh, you ate them.
I mean, yes. They were delicious.
Oh, you ate them. Oh, I'm so
What? You think
sorry.
I was just going to enter into the contest?
Sorry, Mr. Mayor. I kind of probably could have told you.
The horse had massive diarrhea in the field the other day.
Yeah, the horse kind of crapped all over them, and I didn't watch them, so
Fertilizer.
it was fertilizer. Like,
Alright, let's move
Yeah.
on.
what the hell's wrong with us?
Everything.
Bye, Mr. Bear. Oh crap! Come on.
We got to bring the animals in on the rainy days.
Yep. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get over here. There. No. Stop. Stop moving. No, no. You stubborn.
I thought you were a horse, not a mule.
Oh, god damn it. Stop moving, you little bastard. Oh, you right, I hate you. Turning you into glue. Ah, come on.
There. Yeah, almost had him.
Oh, you mother friggin'. Stop moving! You know what? Screw you. You stay there.
We got work to do.
Think 10 a.m.?
Yeah. So 50. You're just going to stand there for 50 minutes in the rain.
Mm-hmm.
If we are sick tomorrow...
Oh, we'll be fine. In the window. Got creeper. Creeper. I think this is his bedroom.
Alright, just get in there. Stop being a creep.
It's so fun. Go. Yep.
Yep.
Yep. Just throws you at the door.
Yep. Okay, really, stop being a creep.
Hey, that was unintended. I mean, I can't prove it.
Yeah, what's a good thing we should be doing right now?
Well, we can't water anything.
No, we don't need to. We could try to get the horse back in.
The horse.
The dog also needs to go in the house, too.
Oh, yeah. The dog's easier to catch. Okay, let's go wrangle this horse.
Yeehaw!
Yeah. So much fun. Round 2.
I would laugh if he's all the way across the map now. Didn't look him away.
He probably is.
Okay.
Try this. Come on.
By Joe, I think he's got it. Nope! One square off. There you go.
You're dumb.
I don't think you brushed him either.
Probably not. I was too furious. Now for the dog.
Hopefully the dog isn't half drowned.
He's nearby.
Yep, somewhere near the house.
Oh, dog, why can't you just go in the house?
You can't open a door.
There's such a thing as doggy doors.
Yeah, I don't trust our neighbors not to use it to kill us.
What, you like Rick?
There he is. Go up. Down. He's just running by. I swear to God, I saw him.
Oh, dog. How many hours have I been chasing you?
There he is.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, we'd have a lot of complaints if you attempted to drown a dog, and I'd be one of them.
Don't get the floor wet.
Kind of hard when he's soaking wet. Alright, I say we gather the stuff around the mountain just for a little extra cash.
Yeah.
Zach, buddy, Hal, look, listen. You know how, like, when the bin's filled one time, it's not going to be filled every time.
Yeah, so...
You know, there's a thing called, like, growth, right? And it takes a while for these plants... Sorry, technical terms here. I'm not going over your head. But it takes time for them to come in and be able to be edible.
Yep. And meantime, Zach, here's some nice mountain stuff to chew on.
This will prevent you from starving. No! You idiot! Why?
Damn it!
Damn it, Cody! Oh, I guess what we're doing tomorrow.
I'll fix it.
We'll have to fix it tomorrow, sir.
Oh, I know. I'm not going there now. Just one other thing.
Yeah.
Please sell.
Oh, this one herb.
Every little bit helps.
Not really, but... This is more just like, I want a little extra change, but we didn't have to, like, go out of our way for it.
Well, you know, you never know what money comes in. Here, for example, okay. So we have 2,830.
Yeah.
We'll just calculate on how much we make.
Yeah.
How much we just made off of this stuff. Anything else I should do?
No, I think that's good.
Yep.
But we'll have to continue this next time. Until then, I'm Devin.
Now I'm Cody.
Have a good one, guys.